Hi, Kudsia here, aka Pensive Pop. Today I have received a magical package which I'm going to open and show you, and I've been asked to review the contents inside. So let's have a look. Let's open this box first. Okay, wow. Right, here we've got a magical capsules. So I'll save this one for another post. So I'll put that aside and okay, wow. I've never seen this one before. It's a magical infinity advent calendar, and oh wow, it's pretty big, isn't it? Wow. What do you think? Right, so this is it. This is the magical infinity advent calendar. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's by Yume Toys. So yumetoys.com. I'll put all the links down below in description. So this looks like it's inspired by the chibi design. I know that a lot of people do like that design, but there's a lot of people that don't either. I'm not really too fond of the chibi characters, but I've just seen something here which I like quite a lot, so I'm excited to see that a bit more. Should we start opening it because it looks really good? So I'll take this top plastic off. Okay, so on the front here you can see that there's a lovely silhouette of a Hogwarts castle. It's got, and that's this chibi design, and this is what I mean. I'm not seeing the non-character designs of the chibis in the chibi style. So it's nice to see sort of the Hogwarts castle in the chibi style. I really like it. I'm really impressed. Very magical. It's very shiny as well. Yeah, that's really shiny. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's really shiny, that. It's reflecting all over the place here, and the sun's shining today, so. Then you've got Harry's glasses and Hedwig and the pixies, and you can see I'm not going to go through them all. So what's great about this box is that you can keep rotating it to reveal more doors and more items, and I think that's a really different style for advent calendars, and it sort of makes it a bit more interesting to find the door. So if we open it like that, you can see number one there. Look at all the characters. Oh, look at Hagrid and Fang. It's sort of like the Yume theme. Look at Parvati Patel looking great in her dress robes, and Victor Crumb and Fleur Delacour. So let's start opening these doors now. So we've got Professor Trelawney there, we've got a little teapot there, so number one, she's got a little orb in her hand as well, I think. Oh wow, that's Harry. Look how cute he looks in his Yule Ball dress robes. Yeah, and then you've got these, these as well at the end, so you can hang them off your trees as ornaments, or you can hang them off something else. If you don't have a Christmas tree, you can use stands and stuff. Yeah, good start. So we've got Harry there. So let's look at number two. Okay, so we've got Hufflepuff there, cute little badger. I'm going to stop the commentary now so that we can whiz through the rest of the doors, otherwise this video will be far too long. is it. What did you think? I am really impressed with that. It's really good items here, so there's a lot of stuff that I definitely will be using. It was a really fun, enjoyable calendar to open. I actually really liked being surprised by a lot of the items as well, because I was quite, maybe I was a bit negative at the starting, but I'm really impressed. And I do really like the plushie toys as well. So some of my favourite items are the stationery items. That's something that I like to collect and use anyway, so I'm always on the hunt for different stuff. So I really like the Back to Hogwarts luggage tag. I've never seen that before, and I'll definitely be using that. It's made really nicely too. I liked the gift cards as well. I thought they were really nice designs. I also really liked the pen, which I'm quite surprised about. It's really cute, it's quite tiny, and I like little Harry sort of just hanging off there. I also liked the pins as well. I don't have a Cedric pin before, so it'd be nice to add that to my collection. I like the backing cards too. Hogwarts is my home. Yes. The Hermione plush toy. I really like how much detail they've gone into, especially with her hair. It's a really cute little toy to have or hang off something as well. That's really nicely done. I also like the patch. The patch is one of my favourites as well, and I like this style, really good. I like them all. I like the glasses cleaner as well. I've got one of them before. My favourite item, as you might already know, is the Wingardium Leviosa ornament. I really like this. I really like the way it's done. I've not seen it before. It's so shiny. I like the way the lettering's done on there as well. It's very magical. It can be used as something else as well. It doesn't have to be an ornament. It can be used as a bookmark, which is probably what I'm going to use it for. And it probably look really nice in pictures as well. And I like that they've it's in the shape of a feather. So if you've seen the films or read the books, you know that when she's saying this spell, it's to levitate a feather. That it would have been nice to have maybe this as the last as door or box 24. That would have been a nice surprise, because I've not seen that before, rather than Hedwig. I still love Hedwig though, but it's just an eraser really, isn't it? So it would have been nice to have something a bit different, or one of the other sort of different items as the last box, just to make that extra special. But overall, I'm really happy. Thank you Yume Toys for gifting this to me, and Cap Toys or KAP Toys for sending this across to me and allowing me to review it. I've had a lot of fun opening the boxes and discovering a lot of stuff that I've not really seen before. So that's quite good. So if you do like any of these items and want to get one of these boxes, then you can follow the links in my description below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then you know what to do, you know what buttons to click, or leave me a comment below here and we can talk about some of these items. So thank you for joining me today. I hope that you enjoy this one. Thank you, take care, bye.